My name is Nathaniel Renhack, and I will be teaching you about ellipses today. The standard form for an ellipse is x squared over a squared or b squared plus y squared over a squared or b squared equals 1. This is what an ellipse is. An equation for an ellipse should always equal 1. I'm going to show you an example now. X squared plus 64 over plus y squared over 49 equals 1. Look, you have to change. You notice how the x squared and the y squared are both squared. So that the 64 and the 49 below the two x and y are going to have to be square rooted. So the 64 would turn into an 8 and a 49 will turn into a 7. And the a squared always goes under, or the bigger number is always the a squared. Graphing the ellipse, you will have to figure out the points. X, the number under x that you just square rooted, is left and right, and the y, the number that is under y, is up and down. The ellipse is oval shaped and can be related to the orbital system. But we are not done. Ellipses have two focal points, also known as foci. Plural. This is the plural word for two or more focal points. To find the foci, you use c squared equals a squared minus b squared. The foci will always be on the major axis. The major axis is a longer length of the ellipse from end to end. The major axis in this case is 16. When you're focusing on translated conic for ellipse, in this case it says x minus 3 squared over 9 plus y minus 2 squared over 25 equals 1. In this case, -3 and -2 are h and k. You can change both signs to positive when graphing in this case, just as if we were doing a regular one, but the -3 and the -2 act as your h and your k. When you go into graph, this graphs your center point, and if it's negative, then it changes to positive, and when it's positive, it changes to negative. Remember, a squared is always the bigger number on bottom. 25 would be your a for this. If you have any more questions, just subscribe to my YouTube account and I'll be sure to help. I hope you learned a lot today and I hope it helped you. More about ellipses next time.